Giving the 7-day heal dana, each and every day was important for her, and she learned many important lessons.
The following day, the 19th of August, was my very first day of offering dana to the Mahasangha. Each and every one of those 7 days was special for many reasons. Firstly, I got to offer food with my own hands to the Mahasangha while observing 8 precepts. Secondly, the monks had arranged for me to hear a Dhamma sermon for each of the 7 days. Thirdly, it made me realize how valuable this life is and the power merits can bring to transform your life. Finally, for each of those 7 days, my mind was only thinking about meritorious things. I was thinking about the Sangha for 7 days continuously. The 7-day dana is so special to me because it also gave me the opportunity to gain merits by controlling my verbal, bodily and mental actions for 7 days continuously. I truly value the Dhamma sermons preached to me by the monks, as well as the advice given throughout the 7 days. In one of the sermons, the monk told me that the one thing we have not been able to achieve yet in the samsara is to realize the 4 noble truths. The Swamin Wahanse made me realize that we can achieve many things, like being born among the highest devas, yet one thing we haven't achieved is true freedom from this endless cycle of births and deaths. I hope that this will help me to realize the 4 noble truths as soon as possible